Welcome to Mel Bear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you how I made this beautiful St. Patrick's Day green and gold glittery snow globe tumbler. I put at least one new video every week, so please subscribe and enjoy. Alright, so for today's tumbler, we're going to do a St. Patrick's Day glitter tumbler. And what we're going to use for that, we're going to need a hollowed wall tumbler. I've already drilled this out. We're going to need gold glitter, just a fine glitter. We're going to use, I bought these off Amazon, this little shamrock glitter. I couldn't find any large bottles of glitter anywhere that were shamrocks, so I just got this. This is like nail art glitter, but it'll work just fine. And I'm going to use this chunky glitter from Recollections. It's a green mix. It's kind of a green and gold. We're also going to need white glue. Or sorry, not white glue, clear glue. Any kind works. This one I got from Create Basics. And distilled water, and some of these squeeze bottles are also helpful for getting your glitter into your tumblers. And then you're going to need a way to seal your tumblers. And you can watch my video on sealing tumblers. There's lots of different ways to do that if you don't know how. Alright, so we're going to start with making our glitter mix. And I'm going to start with the little shamrocks. And I'm going to do just a mix of the different ones. So try not to make too big of a mess. I'm going to do a mix of all the different colors. I want this to be super sparkly and happy. So I'm just going to mix up all the different ones that come in this mix that are on the color tone that I'm going for. And I'm going for gold and green. So I'm going to mix up gold and green shamrocks. I think that should be good. We've got about, I think it's about half a teaspoon of shamrock glitter. And these are going to be a little difficult, I think, to get in my normal way. They're a little too chunky. So all I'm going to do is just dump them onto the lid, and then I just shake them into the tumbler. So there's different ways to do chunky glitter into tumblers. I usually just put it on the top and then just shake it in through the hole. You can put tape on the side if you want. You can poke them in with a stick, but this usually works fine. And I'll be back once this is in the tumbler. Alright, we've got all of our shamrock glitter into the tumbler, and now we're going to do our next glitter mix. So I'm going to take the kind of gold. It's not a super fine glitter, it's a little bit chunky. And we're going to do some of that. Probably about half a teaspoon. And then we're going to put in this gold and green. And probably, whoops, probably about a, looks like probably about a tablespoon, give or take. And now we're going to add that to our squeeze bottle, and then we're going to put that into the tumbler. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of the gold. It's a little light, so probably about a teaspoon of the gold in total. Right now we're going to add our glue and water mixture to the squeeze bottle, and then we're going to fill up the tumbler. And with this I do about a tablespoon to quarter cup of water. If your tumbler flows too slowly, add more water. If it flows too quickly, add more glue. You can adjust it as you need to. And then I'm just going to take my little squeeze bottle here, shake her up, and then you just put it right in the hole and you just squeeze that glitter and your glue mixture right into your tumbler. And after you have all the solution into your tumbler, I'm going to wipe the top off with alcohol and seal the tumbler. And if you need some help sealing tumblers, I do have a brand new video out that does show you how to seal the different tumblers different ways, so make sure you tune into that. Here is our finished St. Patrick's Day glitter tumbler. You can see your little 4-leaf clovers. Thanks so much for watching. I put out at least one new video every week. If you enjoy the content, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. It really does help build the channel. Thanks so much for watching.